वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळी बरी आसली, सावूद आनी भलायकीन. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू मेक गोवन कोकोनट dal, that is Goan dal with coconut. Goan dal with coconut. So what we need, 1 cup of tur dal. I have soaked it for 1 hour. Okay, now we will cook this along with 1 tomato and 2 green chilies. This we are going to cook now in a pressure cooker. Okay. म्हणतात तुमी सगळी बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. आनी आयज आमी करुया आमची गोंयची दाव. आनी आतां हितून आमी इल्लें आनी उदक घालुया. So 1 cup is already there. Now this is the 2 cups of water, salt to taste, and we'll give a 4 whistle to this. So we'll take like half cup of grated coconut, one teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. So this we need now to grind to a fine paste. So here it is ready. आमचे वांटप तयार आसा. आता आमी next process करूया. So chilies, curry leaves and tomatoes are ready, and then we need mustard seeds and a little bit of cumin seeds again, and a hing, asafida 1 teaspoon. So add ghee or oil, it is up to your choice. So add like 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, it's again up to your choice. For this quantity I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. So this Goan dal is without onion and without garlic. So let's add our curry leaves, green chili, then we'll add our mustard seed 1 teaspoon, and again I will add cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of hing. And this is our cooked dal. And now we will add this to our tadka. Now we'll add our grinded coconut. Check the salt and add accordingly. So we need salt for this. Salt is to taste, but if possible during this summer, avoid lots of salt. तर मानता तुमकां ही आमची गोवन दाल आवडतली आणि तुम्ही करून खातली अशी. Hope you all will enjoy this Goan dal. It's yummy, delicious. Thank you. Garnish it while serving. Garnish it with coriander leaves and it's done. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. म्हणटा तुमकां सगळ्यांक हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी ही करून खातली. Thank you.
And here it is, ready, lovely and tasty Goan dal, garnished with coriander. Thank you.